So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2024 Genesis G70, and this thing features a few different drive modes, and I wanted to take a moment to showcase those modes and just what they change in the vehicle. So there are 5 different modes. You adjust it on the center console right here via this drive mode toggle. Just basically left and right will flop you between the different drive modes. I'm going to kind of showcase the screen like this because it'll change on here, and then you can also have an app bubble that pops up showcasing what drive mode you're in, maybe for the passenger or just for extra flair. So right now I'm in the eco mode displayed right there, so I'm just going to showcase that. So eco, and then eco popped up right there. Comfort popped up right there as well. Each one has a little bit of different color scheme, which is more apparent when I get to the sport mode, which is right here. So you can see that they kind of livened it up there, sport over there, little red hue up on the tack. What doesn't come through on the video will be that the seats will hug you. The lumbar support will kind of hug you more like a racing seat when you go into the sport mode. So that's kind of unique and cool. When you go to Sport Plus, it will also knock off traction control for you. So you got Sport Plus, and you can see the traction control off light is there. So uniquely, the drive mode toggle is right next to the traction control off button. So if you needed that, turn that off, you could probably just flop the drive mode button in the Sport Plus if you're already in the Sport for ease. And then you have the custom mode. So custom and then custom here. Now you can see it quickly pops up, and you can actually push that setting. Let me go back to Sport real fast, and you have a settings button here, which you didn't have before. Now you can hit this, or I'm gonna let it disappear. Alternatively, you can go into your main app screens, hit setup, then go to vehicle, then the second one down, drive mode, and then that top option, custom. This is where you can adjust the custom mode, or if I hit this, it also pops me to this screen. That's where basically you're gonna end up. Now, this is where you can adjust the powertrain, steering, and suspension to whatever custom or preferential mode you want. So you can have your comfort, all the way on all of them, basically make a dual comfort mode, or you can kind of pick. So you want powertrain to be on the most nutty mode, you want suspension on comfort, you want steering, halfway between. You can kind of play with that. And this custom mode will basically showcase just kind of what those different modes change. So with the powertrain, the eco mode that I was displaying, the first mode, basically is optimized for more economic driving, comfort, more, everyday driving on the roads. It would be more comfortable suspension. Sport, the most of the performance of the vehicle is going to be unlocked, and Sport Plus is kind of where, it's all throw it up against the wall, traction control off, you basically go nuts with the vehicle. I recommend probably just don't do that on the roads. Find a track or something like that to do that, so you're not getting that recommendation from me. But that's basically how the different drive modes interact with the 2024 Genesis G70 and how you enable them. Thanks for watching.